Ready to start building the future you want? Make 2023 your year of yes by tackling your career goals with the right mindset. 2023 is around the corner, and this is the right time to prep and kickstart with new visions. It is a great opportunity to reflect on your goals. Is it a career change, improving on your skills or learning a new skill, or having a side hustle? In this video, we look at 3 websites where you can find online jobs that are always hiring worldwide in 2023. If this content is for you, then keep watching right up to the end. And as you do not forget to subscribe and also leave your thoughts in the comment section. Without further ado, let's get started into the video. The first website we're going to be looking at is called justanswer.com. If sharing your expertise and making a little extra cash sound intriguing to you, then consider becoming an expert with Just Answer. Just Answer is an online question and answer website. They've got an easy, flexible way for you to share what you know and earn some money while you do it. Let's how it works. With Just Answer, you ask your question, the website matches you with experts, and you chat with an expert. Now, the sign-up process is very easy. You just scroll right down to the bottom of the website and click on Become an Expert. And this page opens. You see, you could earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 a month. Yes, that is very possible. All you need to do is apply to become an expert. You enter your name, your credentials, your email address, your phone number. Now, on the phone number, you see, we have this website is available worldwide. So you enter your number, for instance, if it's Cameroon, if it's the United States or it's South Africa, you just put your number there and you move to the next field, which is select a category. Now you need to select your category, which field you are in. You could put appliances if you are in the appliance and home improvement sector, or in the medical sector or wellness. It all depends on your field. So you could make money doing what you love, and you could work anywhere and anytime. That's the beauty of it. And you can work as much as you want. The application process for this website is very easy. It is not rigorous. First, after applying online, they're going to do some background verification, a third-party verification check to check your credentials, and this might take a few days. And once you're approved, you start making money online. The second website is called glginsights.com. GLG Insight is a market research platform where different companies seek or find out greater insight or knowledge from experts like you. You will need to apply and tell them about your skills, of course. So they thoroughly vet the consultants in their network to ensure their clients receive exceptional services in exchange for the high fees they are shelling out. So what do you expect on a GLG consulting call? With a GLG consulting call, you can make $1,000 per hour to glean into the insight from experts like you. And the call can last for an hour. So you could make $1,000 an hour. Let's look at the website and see how it looks like. If you look at the website, the World's Insight Network. Get ahead with the expertise you need to make smarter decisions. So this is very, very important. Do you want to become a client? Of course, we want to make money in 2023. 2023 is a year of years. So we're going to click on Become an Expert. And for this, you need to be skilled in your field of work. To become a network member, shape the direction of progress. So you need to apply, and you just need to click on the apply button. And of course, you need to register, you need to upload your resume, of course. So you need to put all of those informations. And when you do, they're going to run a verification check and of course, and get back to you. And boom, you start making money online. This is for those who have some skills. It's not for those without skills. If you've got skills in your field of studying medicine or any field you're good at, then you can hop on this website. I hope it helps. All right, people, the last website is called respondent.io. Respondent is a legit facilitator of online and in-person consumer research studies. Here, participants can get paid to share their opinions and shape future products and services. Of course, this website will not replace your day's job, but it's going to be like a nice supplement to your income. Remember, our goal for 2023 is to make more money. So companies come here looking for candidates to answer their questions. In this for this particular website, sorry, you must have some expertise in your field of studies and should be ready to participate in market research. So without further ado, let's go to the website, respondent.io. If you open Respondent, you're going to see participants, product, pricing, consumer, and company. All you need to do is get started. Are you a researcher or are you a participant? I want to earn money by participating in user research. I want to find research for my project. Of course, we are not focusing on researcher. Our main aim is to focus on participants. We click here on participant, and the sign up process is very easy. They're going to ask your name, you input your name, your last name, your email address, and you create an account with them. And of course, a background check will be done, and they get back to you and you start making your money online. I hope you found this video very helpful. Please do not forget to leave your feedback in the comment section if you're going to be trying out this website. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much, and if you haven't joined the family yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like, and I really do appreciate if you do share the video. Thank you so much. Until my next one. Bye bye.